Good morning. Today we're going to tackle another problem with our CBR600RR. What's the problem? Well, the previous owner mounted LED flashlights, blinker lights onto it. Well, the result of that is that this happens. These are blinking way too fast. And we're going to solve that problem today. With this bike, the flasher unit is mounted into the dashboard. So I took the manual, I looked up how the wiring for this bike is, and I filtered it out that two wires are coming from the dashboard flasher unit, the blinker unit, and they go into this connector. I'm gonna zoom in a few minutes. So what are we gonna do? We're gonna take those two wires out. I'll show you how. And we're going to install another flasher unit. The one that's in the dashboard is a load flasher. That means to flash at the exact rate, it needs to have a special load. And the one I'm going to install is an electronic one, so it doesn't need the load of the bulbs. So let's see. Come over here. We have this blue connector, this one, and we need the wires on this side. This is the new electronic blinker, and I also can adjust the blinking speed, which is also good, huh? I think. This is the connector we need, this one. This is my electronic, even kijken, like this. So, and over here you see the tiny hole which you can adjust the blinking rate. So let's start. First, that one out. Over here I got my tablet. On the tablet I have the wiring diagram. That's the connector. We need the gray wire and the white-green wire. Gray, white, green. Let's look for that. We got, this is the white green wire, this one, and this one is the gray wire. We need these two. What I'm gonna do first is cut those two wires and then see if the blinkers stop blinking. Then I know I have the right wires. Watch. Ay! Wah! Ay, ay, ay. Got the connector in again. Now we're gonna switch on the ignition, and then we gonna turn the flashlights on, the blinker lights, to see if I cut the right wires. Yeah, I think so. Everything works. The Atari starts to, and now that doesn't work anymore, and that doesn't work anymore. So I think we have the right wires, I'm sure. Yeah. Strip the wire. I have this tongue, something, this one. I use these kind of, hopefully worked so, kind of connectors. Put it in. It clicks. So now I have to squeeze it until a certain pressure, and then it releases itself. And then squeeze it all the way. Now it is released, and it's a nice connection. See? Nicely done. Now I'm going to do the other wire too. That size. I already roll it. Hop. Get it off. Because it's too thin for this connector, I make it thicker by folding it. See? Then open it, put the connector in, see? Over there again. And then squeeze it again. Hop. Nice, huh? Now I got these two. Put it over it. Oh, I have to push it with. No. Click. And then another one bites the dust. No. Up. On our relay we have two letters, a B and a L. B is the input, and that should be the white green wire. So we're gonna connect it. Yeah, got just one left. The gray goes to the L. No, it's a good one. Up. Then, now is the moment of truth. Perhaps it goes up in flames. No. Hey, see? Just a moment. Hey, hoppa! The right blinking rate. So, andere kant, other side, just have a look. Works also. Rear. Yep, works also. Okay, what I also going to do, so I'm gonna mark at least one of them. So, have a blue marker. Gonna mark this one, this, and over here. So isolate these. I got two little shrink tubes. Put it over, so, and over there. Yep. Got the phone. Careful, this is plastic. So, gonna shrink them. Top one. Then, to be sure, quickly squeeze it with a plier over there and over there. Now it's waterproof, I think. Then his brother. Hop. Okay, the same thing. Squeeze it with a set of pliers. There and there. Wait a minute. Hop. Watch. They can do no harm. Show you. Zoom in. Job done.